Hello dears, today I'm going to solve with you ICT past paper May June 2024 variant 31 web page. Let's start. Let's go first to task 3 file management. Create a new folder called J2431 and set these files inside this folder. So you can get this files from your from the source files, okay? So first of all, you have to create this folder. Anyhow, once you start to solve paper 2 or paper 3, you are supposed to create folder. Usually, we are going to create a folder. We will set name, for example, work area for this folder. To this folder, you can create it on the drive C or D or over the desktop, anywhere. Inside this folder, you have to set your working files plus the source files. I prefer again to set it in the drive C or drive D because it will give you short path in case if you want to add the file path in the header or footer. So it will not be long, it will be short. Okay. Anyhow, I created already folder. I named it work area. Inside it, I will create this folder. Okay. Work area, new folder, Control V. Inside it, I have to set the these files. So go to your source files. I want the contact, this one, and location, and logo, and splendid, and style sheet, this one, and text. Control C. Then here, go here and Control V to paste. Okay, display the content of this folder showing the folder name, all file names, the extension of files, size, image dimensions. Go back to your folder here. First of all, you have to make sure that the extension is visible. How to make the extension visible? From the folder, go to the View tab, go to the Options, change folder, and search Options. Go to the View tab again. Make sure that this checkbox is not selected, because by default this box is selected and this box will hide the extension for the files. I don't want to hide the extension. I want to make the extensions visible. So remove the tick. Plus, you need to display the type. I think what they want, the type, the size and dimensions. Okay, I already have the size. Anyhow, you have to display the files in the details. You have to use the details from the layout group. Okay, then you have to add the dimensions. How to add the dimensions? Go to this upper area, right click over it. You can choose a dimension. If it's not available here, go to the more dimension here. Then okay, now I have the dimension for all the images. Then I want to take screenshot for the folder, make sure that the required information visible. We'll place the screenshot in the evidence document. You have to create already you have evidence files, but as I didn't start to solve the past paper from the beginning, I just want to solve the web page. Okay, so I will create Word file as evidence document, and for this step number 10, okay, step number 10 here, I will set screenshot. So here we go. Then take screenshot using snipping tool, for example. The dimension. Then paste it here. Control V. Okay, and it is clear. Now let's continue. Go to the web page. Create a web page called Splendid HTML. So I will copy the name of the file and save it in your folder. To create my website, I will use the expression web. Okay, I will refer where is my website. Sorry, open website. Refer where is your folder. Sorry, it is in the working area. And this is my folder. Open, then open. It will open the files inside your this folder. Sorry, right click here, new HTML. What is the name of the file? I will paste it. They will ask me, do you want to continue changing the name? Of course I want. You want to rename? Yes, I want. So this is my HTML file. Okay, it is split between the code on the upper part and the design on the lower part. Now, the web page must be created using single table and work in all browsers. The table must fit 85% of the browser, so it will not take 100% of the browser window, only 85%. Okay, and this is the structure. Just count with me how many rows I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. How many columns I have? 1, 2 columns. Okay. So I have 5 rows, 2 columns with the 85 percentage. So go back. Okay, go to the table, insert table. How many rows? 5 rows. How many columns? 2 columns. What is the dimensions or what is the width of the table? 85. Make sure it is in percent, huh? Then okay. 85, yeah. Just look here. It added to me the table. Okay, here. In this table, I have first, second, third, fourth, fifth rows. I have 5 rows. Okay. In each row, I have 2 cells till now. Of course, I want to merge. You can see here, I merged the columns in the first row. In the first row, I have to merge the columns. How to do that? Simply, you can go here, select the first cell and second cell, right-click, modify, then merge the cells. So finish from the step, this step. Once I finish merging, I will go to adjust the dimensions. But here also, I want to merge the second and third row. Here, second, third, then fourth and fifth. I want to merge them. You can see, right? Merging here and merging here. We are merging the rows. So go here, this cell and this cell, right-click, then modify, then merge. Plus this cell and this cell, right-click, modify, and merge cells. Okay, so here I merged 2 rows and here I merged 2 rows. Now let's go to adjust the dimensions. The height for the first cell, 20%. The height for the first cell, here right-click over the first cell. I'm not going to write the code only for the video point, but all the other things for the web page, I am going to adjust them from the design without writing codes. Okay, but I will refer to the code. I will try my best to refer to the codes, but my work is in the design tab. Drag and drop. So here in the first row, I want to adjust the height. So right click and then go to the cell properties. I am going to adjust the height, not the width. So click over the height. It is not in pixel, it is in percent, and the height is 20%. It is 20% to 0%. Okay, in percent, and then okay. It's added to this cell. It's added that the height is 20%. It is still empty, but the height of this particular cell where we merged the two columns, we merged two columns, the height is 20%. What else? For the second cell B, the width is 60. Here, the width is 60. So go to the cell properties. It is in percent and it is 60, right? I think 60. I will check again. It is in percent. Okay. Yeah, 60. I don't need like to adjust the others as I didn't add dimensions. Each table cell is identified with a letter. The letters will not appear on the final web page. Table borders not appear also on the final page. It's fine. And they want title here in the step number 12. They want title for the page. The title will appear on the head of the page. Okay. What is the title that they want? Splendid Toadfish. So copy the title, go back to your page, right click anywhere here, go to the page properties. From the page properties, go to the first tab, general tab. In the title, just paste the title. Usually the title will appear on the head section. Once you added the title here, it will add it to the head section, and between the head section they will add the title, which is Splendid Toadfish. Now let's continue to the step 13. Enter in the cell A the text "Conserve our endangered species." So copy this text, set it in the cell A, the first cell. It should be in the style H1. So here is the cell, the first cell, Control V, then highlight this text, okay? Then go to this section and select H1. As I said, it is in H1. Then go back. We need to enter this cell, Splendid Toadfish, here in the cell C. C. We need to add on the cell C, Splendid Toadfish, and it is H1. So here, yeah, see, Control V, and it is also in H1. Make sure just to select the text. Then go to here and set H1. What else we need? Enter in the cell A. So, already we finished from here. Go to the step number 14. In the cell G, enter the text created by, followed by your name, center number, and candidate number, and it is in the style H2. So created by, then your name, center number, candidate number in the cell G, the last cell. So here we go, Control V, space, your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number. It is in the H2 or 3? H2. What he said, H2, yes. H2. So my work is perfect. Let's go to the step number 15. Place in the cell. B, the image Splendid. D, the image contact. F, the image location. Let's go to the first one. B, Splendid. B, Splendid here. B, Splendid. Here is B, Splendid. Just once you click over it, it will show a review about the image. So just drag and release. It is just set the name of the image in the alternate text. Okay. So they didn't ask for any dimensions. D, contact. D, contact, and F, DF. D and F, contact and location. D and F. D, contact, Made text to all the image already we done. Place in the cell E the text from the file text. Set each of these three paragraphs into paragraph styles. Set each of these three paragraphs into paragraph style. طيب, I will set the text inside the cell E. Where is the cell E? The last cell. So we'll go back here. Here we have to set the text. Just open the text and highlight it. Then Control C to copy. Go back, Control V. They said set the text, the whole text here as a paragraph. So just select here and then select paragraph. It added P from paragraph. So all the text in between the tags of P will be as a paragraph. Then let's continue. What else? Attach the style sheet styles. Don't edit this style sheet. So we are going to add to attach the styles. How to attach the styles? Simply you can go here and attach style sheet, or simply you can go to format here, then style sheet, attach style sheet, browse. It should be inside your folder, and this is my style sheet. Now it's applied. They will add the link for the style sheet also in the head section. You can see this is the link for my style sheet. This is the name of my style sheet, and it's attached to my web page. Let's continue now. Create a new style sheet. So I have two style sheets. This is the first one that I already attached. Now I will create a new style sheet, and there is image. I need to set it as a background, and this background should be in the top left. It should be in this position for the browser. Okay, so let's create the style sheet, then add the logo on the top left first. So right click over your folder here, then new style sheet. They leave it now for default, then I will change the name. Okay. What they want me to add background. As you know, the background will be in the body. If you want to adjust background image, so it will be on the body section. So I will click over a new style, and a new style inside my define it in the current page, which is the style sheet, or you can existing style sheet and refer where is your style sheet. It is the same, but for now let me leave it in the current page, as I am defining in this page the styles. So here for the body, the selector is body. What I want to adjust the background. What is the image for the background? It is the logo, this one. What see, by default the image will be repeated, you can see, right? So of course it is important to make it no repeat. Where is the location of this image? It is the position should be to the top and to the left, top and left, and that's it. Now you can see on the body I adjusted the background, the name of the image, and it is on the left and top. Table is right aligned within the browser window, so the table should be to the right side, means no margin to the right, and the margin to the left will be auto. So all the margin should be to the left, but the margin to the right is 0. How to adjust that? Means we need like to adjust the style for the table. Okay, table, and okay, and we need like to adjust it for the margins. The margins, you can find the margins in the box. Then remove this tick because I want to make the margin to the right 0 and to the left auto. Okay, then apply and okay. What is I want? H1 and H2 and the paragraph style use. So H1 and H2 and P, the font family is Times. Otherwise, if it's not available, Times New Roman. Otherwise, serif. So Times, then Times New Roman. Just let me copy that. Then we need to adjust what the new style. So this style should be for the H1, comma, H2, comma, P. I can adjust the styles for many selector, many elements. طيب, I want to adjust the font family. They said the font should be Times. If not available, Times New Roman. Otherwise, serif. Right? I think this is what they asked. Times New Roman. Otherwise, is serif. H1 and H2 and the paragraph are bold. The styles are bold. So plus I want to adjust the bold. What is I want to make the font white bold. Font white bold. And that's it. Now what else I want? The paragraph style is fully justified. So this style only for the paragraph, it is justified. Set your name, center number, candidate number as a comment at the top of the style sheet. طيب, let's go back. We need to adjust a new style, but this time for P only, P from paragraph. And they want the text align to be justified. And that's it. Here also you need like to add your name as a comment. How to add your name as a comment? It should be slash, one slash, then star. This is the way how to add comment in the style sheet, okay? Slash, then comment. It will convert the text to the green color. Then add the comment that they want, your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number. Then close the comment by star again and slash. Okay, then I think they want me like to save it as okay, make sure that your style sheet contains no HTML. I didn't add any HTML or other things. Save the HTML in your folder, okay, but the name is J2431 CSS2 underscore your candidate number and center number. I will copy the name that they have, as I don't have for name, candidate number or center number, and then I will go back to my file. This is my style sheet. I will rename it and I will set .css and then enter. Do you want to continue? Yes. This is my style sheet. It is inside my folder. Okay. Of course, I have to save it. What is I want? Attach this style sheet to your web page so it has higher priority than the first one. Did you remember that we attached this style sheet first? Then we need like to attach another style sheet, but we need this style sheet that we already created it. We need it to be to have the higher priority. How to make it having the higher priority? It should be next to it. Yani if I attached the style sheet on the first line, second line should be the second style sheet. Okay, so it should be after it, next to it. So how to do that? Go back to here, go back. I will close this one as I don't need it for now. Now go back to here and attach a style sheet. Browse, this is my style sheet. This is the new one, huh? Okay, then okay. Just make sure here, up, go up. You know the style sheet will be attached on the head section. Make sure that your style sheet that you needed for to be higher priority, the second one, not the first one. The first one has lower priority. The first one lower priority, second one higher priority. If you need another style sheet, so and you need to have also the highest priority, leave it as the third one. Yani here you have to link the style sheet as a third line. Okay, and now you can save it. Okay, now you can preview it. Just let me check what they want. Take a screenshot of your style sheet and place this in your evidence document. I'm going now to take screenshot for my style sheet. Okay, using the snipping tool, new, and take snipping Okay, where you have to save it on the step 18 or step 19, sorry, step 19. Okay, 19, then paste. This is my style sheet. Save to your web page, or do we save it? Take a copy of your HTML with the step 20 and paste it in your evidence file. Go back here, go to your HTML, Control A, then Control C to copy. Go to here. Now we are in the step 20, then paste the HTML code. Then what is they want? Display your web page in the browser, if necessary, resize so that all the pages can be seen or text can be easily read. The address bar is fully visible. The address bar is fully visible. Take screenshot evidence showing your web page in the browser. Place it in your evidence document. Okay, so go here, then go to File, then Preview in a browser. Select any browser. Here it will display all the browser that you have. I will display it using the Internet Explorer. Can you see here now? This is the logo, this is the background image. Here the text here, and here it is in H1. The text here is justified. I think everything is fine, no borders. Can you see here? Okay, now I want to take what screenshot for the whole page. Okay, so go to these three dots, go to screenshot, select capture full page. Okay, then copy, then go to your, it is step number 20. So yeah, so go to the document here, evidence, Control V. They want the address bar. Okay, they want me to set the address bar. So you can simply close this one, and using text screenshot, shift and the Windows logo, then S, then take screenshot for this particular area, the title and the address, then paste it where in your evidence document. So here, Control V. Okay, so just you can make it like that, then you can make it, touch it. Can you see here the title of my image? It is the title that I gave for the web page, Splendid Toadfish. And this is like the address bar, contains the name of my web page. And it's fully visible. Can you see? Everything is visible. The logo, it is, right aligned. Can you see the table is right aligned? And yeah, that's it. I think we finished all the questions. Yeah, thank you for listening.